USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope you are all on the same page on this regard on very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off provided for myself, right? And it is because United States of American nation with fatal negligence created robocall, poverty mandate enforcement, and enforced poverty to I, and enforced finance disability to I, and enforced finance debt to I. And that is the deadliest crime for a nation to even dream to think of provide poverty for fellow mankind, right? So I'm signing up civil justice in front of all nations. So that way all nations will understand why exactly United States of America is handcuffed mode, at fault mode, found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican, right? And I surely must get the civil justice and according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Okay, now before reading this civil justice sign off, right, the writer, I want to provide a little bit of very highest level overview. I know you're all laughing. So, no, I will not take too much of time, okay? What happened was, you all know that I'm unemployed, finance crisis, how to pay the bills, and not help. I did not get any help from the government of USA, right? Any form. So I was just wondering, and financial crunch, and a very short period of time that I have to notify whether I have to renew my apartment or where to move, what to do, like that mode. That is too much of emotional stress for a civilian to undergo, right? This is exclusive of other pain and agony which I had to undergo because of my personal impacts, which I will tell you the one step at a time about myself. So, what I was wondering was, it was almost like I was in the middle of the ocean, right? And the oceans means the tidal waves will come up, and you are almost in that, okay, are we going to sink in this ocean, or will there be any strength left out to swim against the tidal waves? Or what to do mode, God please help me mode, like that, right? I was in that mode only, and because it was overwhelming and over exhausting for any civilian, it was safe for me only. So I even emotionally break down and cried, what to do, what am I going to do, will I get a job, will the USA government provide me any help, or I'm just asking for the rightful salary only, right? They should have provided me pro se salary, right? Whatever I'm asking is the rightful, but they never provided it. That is wrong. That is crime of USA after all, right? So I was wondering what to do, and asking God for some help and guidance, right? Then after shedding tears, I self-motivated myself. And then I was wondering, is there any way? Because it is almost like you have seen in the movies, right? Where people get stuck in the caves, everything is blank mode, survival mode, or in the deep Mount Everest, or how people get stuck and how they have to survive and mode. So I was wondering, will there be any way? Because I want to reach out and get the civil justice. Okay, so when I reached out to justice team, they never provided any help. When I talked to when I conversed with the Secretary of the State and the tax revenue leader and Department of Health Services leader of State of Wisconsin, I did not get any help. So no help from justice, no help from here, no help from government, 360 degrees, even finance services, they told they cannot provide me any loan. And when I reached out to my retirement assistance, the retirement fund, they told I have to pay 35%, there is a penalty to be paid. So I was just really extreme stress mode. Okay. So then I thought, okay, why can't I reach out to the television channels? right? That is all any news channels. So one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, I reached out. I even called. I sent an email. You know, just telling them, please give me allocate an online interview for me. That way, I can display the truth, right, of the scandal. And I did not get any response. Yeah. So the common channels were what? CNN and NBC, ABC, Fox News, CBS. These are the channels I reached out, but I did not get any response from them. So then you all might be wondering why on the earth I'm in YouTube channel, right? So for how long YouTube channel is that? It's forever, right? For quite a long time, I would say, right? But then I've used a YouTube channel to watch movies or listen to music, sing songs like that. That is all I've used. But beyond the scenes, I don't know how to get into the YouTube channel, everything. It was like very new, right? See, so for me, so that means my peers will only mock at me, right? Because for how long this YouTube channel is there, right? But I never had any clue of how to get into the YouTube channel like that. But then when I was in that pressurized mode of what to do, how to reach out to the population, how to reach out to the nations and get my civil justice rightful way in front of all, my brain thought, why can't I learn and how to get into the YouTube channel in the first place. So it is still a learning curve for me. So since the first week of January of 2021 only, I went and got the initial training, meaning how to start a channel, how to do that, and it provided me some guidance. So that is how I just started the YouTube channel. So you all got the correct answer why I ended up in YouTube channel out of nowhere, right? So yes, it is not a survival mode for me. It is for me, I should get the civil justice in the rightful way. So let's say if only I would have allocated an interview with CNN News Channel or ABC or Fox, I would not even bother to get into the YouTube channel at the first place. Right. So now can you all see why God is always God all the time? So the YouTube channel never thought I will get into the YouTube channel. Meaning Google never thought I will get into the Google product of YouTube. Then I never thought I will get into the YouTube after so long years. For how long? I think it's forever, right? For quite a long time it's there. At least close to 10 to 15 years maybe, right? But then, can you all see how even when the robos and how the medias are there, I do not have any awareness of it. And I have to study, I have to learn to get to understand how things work. For me it is like that, okay? So then, that's how I started the channel. And then you all might be wondering why I've been asking for the initial, even now I'm asking, right? Please provide live broadcast my video on television means. I wanted to reach out to the people as earliest as possible without delay, because I need to get the civil justice served, I need to get the job offer signed off, I need to get the salary, because I am in absolute finance crisis, right? I am very, very little in my bank account. And yes, somehow I have managed this for this month, but then for month of March and beyond, I have to work out. But if there's nothing left, then I have to use my the retirement thing only. But people, they say, unless and until, do not use the retirement. So I'm kind of in a too much of pressurized mode. So there are 7.9 plus billions of humans, right? So I feel that there is no humanity. Right, humans, are they at the wrong side? Are they at fault mode for not being humane? That I leave the choice to you all to decide. Okay, then when government is not helping me, what would I do? tell me. Then banks are not helping me, right? And retirement fund is broken. So everything is broken after all. Retirement services is broken, bank services is broken, and welfare services is broken, unemployment benefits is broken, everything is broken. So I'm in more of a stranded mode one side and lot of pain and agony, right? When you're in that, see, I should not have this debt. So to that one side debt is there. So it was too much of emotional disturbances for me for the past few weeks, starting with January itself. So then that is how I got into this YouTube channel. So you got it, right? So because you all might be wondering why on the earth this lady came into this YouTube. So can you all see how God's labor is always God's labor known to God? So that means I was, see, I never wanted to be in the YouTube channel. You all know that, right? So, but then how I came to YouTube channel is a pathway, right? Can you all see how God's labor is God's labor always known to God only? I never knew I will be in the YouTube. So that means, yes, I've uploaded the videos. I've been providing a lot of labor. Even for that labor which I'm providing, a salary must be paid. That is the rightful way. But then, for me, okay, even beyond all these things, just provide me whatever emergency needs I'm asking for. Just ask the Citibank to pay off the debt. That will help me, the stress free. Then ask all the people who provided the robocall to pay me $4,500, right? And that's what I'm working on. And then all the finance aid and salary they have to pay, right? See, for the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, USA government should pay me the salary in millions or billions or whatever salary they have to pay. They never pay. But on the other end, I made all of them richest. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, right? Twitter. They all became Amazon, right? They all became richest because of me only. So they all got even with my bailout process, I only helped USA government to not shut down those services because there is innocence is identified. So they got their fundings also. Federal government and state government, they provided enough fundings for all the software world. So they are in a better position. But see how I helped and I never got any help, right? So that is how I came to this YouTube channel. And so can you all see why God is always God? These news channels, they never replied to me. Okay, they never understood my emergency need of getting into the news channel and then provide the testimony, get the rightful salary in front of all nations. They never bothered because what if I was a white skin? Right? Like what if I was a model like white skin mode? Then at least they would have, at least I think they would have even considered. But I'm colored skin, black skin. So, and I'm obese friend too. Right? So, it's providing all kind of zero level of tolerance for the society, right? With the educated humankind created society, they have their own classification of how the civilian should look in order to get into the news media like that. But I'm not, I already said I'm not in that entertainment classification code. I'm just an average civilian, but all I wanted is give me an interview and then I will display all the scandal of the Vatican and let me get the salary for it. That's all my intention was. And I even educated the same thing to the Secretary of the State of Wisconsin and Department of Health Services leader of the state of Wisconsin and our tax revenue leader of state of Wisconsin. I never got any reply from them. Okay, but they know how much of pain and agony I was undergoing through. I even begged them, please create a news interview for me. And I even educated them that please have me be elected as an interim leader. And I educated them, and there was no response from them. Okay, so just leave it at that point. And then I also even reached out to the circuit court judge, you know, for that particular region. And I educated, I need some fund. Please educate the Supreme Court judge or the USA government to pay me the salary, the rightful salary. I'm in absolute need of money. I literally explained everything, but no response. So that makes you all to know what? There is no humanity, right? Can you all see how on blood cells level the European Americans' brains have been destroyed by Pope Francis? So it is a Pope Francis educated the state of security of state of Wisconsin not to help me. Get it? So it is Pope Francis who educated the Department of Health Services leader of state of Wisconsin not to help me. And it is Pope Francis only educated the tax revenue leader of state of Wisconsin not to help me. And it is Pope Francis only educated the judge of the state of Wisconsin not to help me. Can you all see how everything is everything traces only to the Vatican? And it is Pope Francis only educated CNN, ABC, and Fox News, and CBS, all the news channels, you name it, all the common ones, right? He educated them not to respond to me. So can you all see how it is Pope Francis only creating hell after for me and making me to be stranded on the road without any help when I am living in the earth full of humans only, right? In the human kingdom, there are only humans. There are never monsters, right? Judge is never a monster. State of Wisconsin leader is not a secretary of the state of Wisconsin is not a monster, right? Even state of Wisconsin governor is not a monster. They are all humans only. But then the humanity, the basic foundation level of the humanity got destroyed. How? Because Pope Francis injected toxins to them. Got it? So this is an overview for you all for why on the earth at the first place I came to the YouTube channel. I've been saying the truth, my dear fellow man. I do not like to be on that media mode, right? But then if you see, even when I got into that Facebook, it was a situation that enforced me to be in the Facebook media. But then there again, it's all God's planning. Got it? So today, the Facebook is the happiest one because I worked Poverty-Free Earth End of the Year project. Only the Facebook tool means USA will credit that Facebook for that. Even credit Google, Apple, Microsoft for that alone. I already said all the strangers were working side by side with me were governments, national leaders, FBI, security, right? The national intelligence and software world. Everybody was working side by side. That is how even government people also came into that Facebook. Otherwise, they would not have come into that Facebook media. Got it? I educated everything. So what happened was in this, I never got any rightful salary that needs to be paid. I'm in absolute need of the money, right? So that is why I don't know how. Okay, see, YouTube channel, I know it is on all the smart TVs, right? But how to reach out to the people and just get it done. Meaning, I want them to know the truth and get the salary from the USA government. How to do that task? I was just wondering, with too much of pain and agony, when you're in a stranded mode, like in a, thrown in the middle of the ocean mode with no help. So with only God's given strength, only I self-motivated myself. Okay. That is how. But if you all see, if you are going to see my video channel and the video sessions, I don't know how much, I think I created a lot of videos because and still a lot more is there, okay, because I have to display all the crimes one by one, which I already finished in the Facebook tutorial, I would say, Facebook education process mode. But then, if at all, let's say, if only the CNN News gave me the live interview, then at 1 hour session or 2 hour session, I would have finished the entire whatever I have to provide it in 1 or 2 hour session, and all the worldwide entire human kingdom would have got it right there in that particular session itself. CNN. In fact, CNN would have earned a lot of money out of it. See, if it is not CNN or ABC, for me, I was reaching out to all the news channels. Whoever wants to reach out to me, I will give the interview mode. I was trying to outreach it, but I did not get any answer. So that itself is a proof that why God is God always. Got it? So I was just wondering why nobody's responding like that. But then later on, I am able to understand, okay, because I am like this, that is why, what if I'm a European or, European white skin, then they would have at least considered and provided an interview. So there again, I came into that, not in that classification code of eligibility, right? So then that is how I came into this YouTube channel. And even today, I don't know how many people are watching, but and you all must have seen that I've disabled the comments because I do not want that interaction mode and distracting mode, right? That is the main process, because when my education is going to be, I am going to talk and you all going to do the listening part, means I do not want any kind of disturbances, right? And so that is why I disabled all the comment from my end, and I'm providing everything in a clean way, right? So that way people knows what I'm talking. So whatever I wanted to say it in the CNN News or ABC News in the interview mode, I created the channel myself and I'm displaying it myself, displaying the news myself, right? But only one thing I'm looking for is if it is reaching out to the rightful news channels, right? Then that would be in our fastest way mode of getting the civil justice done, right? So I hope and wish it gets in the rightful time. That is why I'm just asking, just broadcast it wherever possible in entire televisions. Means people needs to know. Smart TVs have YouTube, but they needs to know that I am already in the YouTube channel, so that they can watch in the television, YouTube channel app. So I don't know how that functions or how to reach out that part. So I'm stuck on that because I'm still learning only. So yes, my peers might be mocking at me, hey, you don't know even this, you don't know even that. I already said. I can display the complex in simplest form, means my brain is so fast is in working on that end. But on the other end, if you see for my peers, it will be super simplest task, right? For me, that will be toughest task. Enough for them to mock at me. I already said, like even the printer functionality, like that, scanning like that. So that is how I can even understand my peers' talent and I can value other people's talent as well. So this is me at this point of time, my status, okay? And I wish to get the job. I wish to get all the national benefits free, right? And I have to get all the salary in the rightful way, right? Don't you all think so? So that is why I'm providing all this civil justice for myself, and it's also multitasking because before this for pro se and then robocall only I'm providing. Then when this part of my civil justice is done, then I will have to provide the video sessions continuing, resuming with that. Remember how that Pope Francis have to pay $500,000 trillion to all each civilian deal. That will come. That session will again resume. But I have to provide the civil justice. That way, It's a multitasking. One way I will get the civil justice. Other way, worldwide, all the errors can be fixed, and all the government operations will know why their government operations are crashed in pieces. I'm displaying the truth, right? So, and I'm sure, I'm positive, for whatever labor I'm providing, I sure will get the salary in the rightful way. Got it? So, this is pretty much it. I hope you are all on the same page on that regard, right? For me, um, what to say? Any tool, if there is any tool to reach out to the population immediately to get the civil justice, then get it done more. So that is why I was reaching out. Well, how, and I reached out YouTube, and there are more competitors for YouTube as well. I don't know any of them. I don't know even how YouTube is also operating. See, that is how I'm lagging behind, right? So. But even in that lagging behind mode, with whatever best of ability, I just do that online, get whatever the images that needs to be useful for that civil justice to be provided for a proof, and then I provide whatever labor. You might have seen in the video shots, right? The screenshots, how I provide the screenshots in a customized way according to the needs, tailored needs. So those are all the part of the labor only. Even if I get the images from the online, I have to take it and add the text or whatever accordingly and provide it. So yeah, it is a learning curve for me. It is a, even if I get to sign a job offer soon. See, USA government signing off the job offer is separate from whatever job I might get in. That is separate, this is separate. I can do any number of jobs, right? So that means my YouTube channel also will be considered as one of my job, freelancing job, right? So, but then first I want all this rightful civil justice to be done, right? Then I might even take a break. Meaning, if I have to get a job, if I got a job, then I have to work on that. Then I might even have to take a break, maybe weekly once or monthly once. I can provide public awareness, whatever. Or it's not. It don't even have to be in a public awareness. It can be any kind of a educational purpose. I can provide my channel. But I started my channel, and it is only for public awareness and birthrights. It's the same what I provided in the Facebook tool only, but I'm using it in the YouTube channel, where I'm using it in the video mode. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So yes, everybody, Google will be credited for the services I'm providing, because I'm providing an excellent Western services, right? So Facebook got their credit, Google got their credit, Apple got their credit, and Microsoft is getting their credit. Means it's a teamwork, it's a team process. And from my end, I want civil justice to be served, because I never asked President Trump to create poverty for me, right? When President Trump don't know how to be humane, when when the Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell don't know how to be humane, and Brett Kavanaugh, the Supreme Judge, don't know how to be humane, don't you all think the civil justice will provide them an excellent discipline on how to be human at the first place? That way they can still live free, and even in their dream they'll never think about creating poverty for any civilian anymore, right? So that is why I want them to pay $4,500 direct deposit to my bank. Forever they will never dare to create poverty. This Mitch McConnell, the Republican GOP leader, will never bother to create any havoc for fellow mankind in the name of GOP. No. People should know that they all got the curse of the Vatican. They cannot fool the population anymore. No. And if you are saying Mitch McConnell's man, I am the woman. Brett Kavanaugh is a man, and I am the woman. President Trump is a man, and I am the woman. President Joe Biden is a man, I am the woman. And Vice President Pence, man, I am a woman. I don't even want to bring Vice President Kamala Harris here. That's a separate scandal. Just handle it different. Or if you're going to see, all of them are men only, and I'm the only woman. I'm just slapping on the left and right on the face of the men. Each man, I would say. Right? Because even if you're going to look into this TV channel leaders, they're all men only. So when people are saying, fooled on thinking that men are gods, men are the only caregivers, I'm just displaying what? In an excellent wisdom way. Men are not caregivers. Men are scammers. Men are scandal providers. Men are hell creators. See for yourself. Means a CNN News CEO cannot even walk on the road telling that, hey, see, I am the proudest CNN CEO, like that. No. Right? Because everybody are prostitution after all. CNN is prostitution, ABC News Channel is prostitution, HBO Max is prostitution, Disney World is a prostitution, ESPN Sports Channel is a prostitution, Food Network is prostitution, PBS Kids Channel is a prostitution. Tell me, what is President Joe Biden going to do about this? And can you all see how President Trump is innocent? There is always a healthy way to display who is innocent and who is not innocent. And I'm displaying it in a healthy way. That is all. So God again made me to use this YouTube channel only to reach out to the population. And I don't know that part. That part I'm stuck. I don't know how to have my video, the testimony, the live civil justice sign off to be reached out to, displayed, broadcasted in all the TV channels, all the websites, all the reach out to the people to the remote village level. I don't know. I'm stuck on that part. That is why I'm asking in the testimony, because at least even if one civilian listens to my testimony, I'm just conveying, hey, please broadcast it in all the television, all the media. That way it will reach out to all the people worldwide. You know, a civilian in Africa, a civilian in China, a civilian in Australia, a civilian in Tamil Nadu. Everybody will know. So that way I will get civil justice right in front of all the nation. That is the ethical standards, right? That is an ethical need to know standards. I'm just using only need to know process. When I'm communicating, I'm just using only need to know. Whatever that is needed, that is what I'm just communicating. Because that is what is needed after all. Anything more or less is, it is all extra and it is optional. Right? If yes, you all might want to know more about my personal affairs, but I said be patient. I will say one by one down the road. Right? I'm saying little bit of myself here and there. Right? So this write-up also I just wrote it, and then I'm just reading it out, and this is creating a more comfort zone for me because I'm not facing the crowd mode, right? So anyways, I have to work on that end, but I don't know whether I will get even bothered to work on that because I have a lot of other things to handle, right? I must first get the civil justice served. I must get the job offer. I have to start the job, right? Whatever I lost, I should get it back. And I'm asking for whatever that rightful belongs to me only. Right? The Supreme Civil Judge job was stolen from me. Then I should get that job. Pope Francis created an employment for me. So Pope Francis must resign and I should get the Vatican job is the rightful thing. President Joe Biden is only an immigrant, is not even a citizen. That is why he's creating a hell after hell. So versus I am a native Indian tribe, I am the eligible to be having the highest impasse to be the national leader. Right? To be on the same page, we are justice teams, state of secretary of the state of Wisconsin, everybody are all on the same page only. So you all don't have to worry. Oh no, what is going to happen? No. So when we are in the transparent and talking the truth as is mode, then the civil justice sign off will be easiest, right? Australia will say to USA, oh, provide civil justice now. Or Africa will say to USA, right now provide civil justice to Vedapriya. India will say, no, 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 no. Sign the civil justice now to Vedapriya means USA is a handcuffed mode one side and fallen down on knees in front of all the nations because of cunning nature of USA. Then no other go. Pope Francis also is handcuffed and he'll be thrown in volcano either ways. Queen Elizabeth also will be thrown in volcano either way. So it is going to be a perfect heaven a way of civil justice signed off according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So either USA should say knows what is Holy Bible or USA should say don't know what is Holy Bible. Yes, my dear fellow man, can I have to provide this overview on why exactly I ended up in YouTube channel? Yes, I was even mocked and bullied by my, civilians, my peers, telling, see how many people are earning out of YouTube channel. You don't know anything. Why you are wasting your talent, this like that. But for me, I don't know how those things work. See, even if you are going to see in this video session, all I'm doing is what? Only signing of civil justice and talking. That is all I'm doing, nothing else, right? So that means I don't know anything beyond the features of the YouTube. I'm still in the learning process. Only January first week means January 7th or 8th, around that time only I started my YouTube channel. Okay, and one more thing I did not want to tell the people who I know, I do not want to tell them because, that is a little bit of processing which I want to make because I do not want to, I want them to know when the news channel becomes famous. Like that route, I want the people known to know about that. I opened a new channel and then I can tell because I do not want any of other disturbances and that is why, right? And I think everybody will be on same page on that regard. Yes, I can easily say to the people who knows me that, hey, I have opened a YouTube channel, why can't you go and look at it, like that. But then I do not want any of the foolishness that can be created out of emotional disturbances. I do not want that to happen. Because from my end, I am just providing the healthy way of how to get the civil justice. And I do not want any kind of disturbances, roadblocks to be provided on that. I had enough of all those roadblocks, right? Facebook, when I was using the Facebook itself, the USA government should have provided me the salary. There's a pending salary after all. So, yes, when civilians are thrown on these kind of a situation, people, it's not for me, it's not a survival mode. For me, it is I want the civil justice to be served. I cannot live with this injustice anymore. I'm done with it. I'm done. I'm in the enough is enough mode. I just do not want I do not want any civilians to hurt me anymore, right? So what is the best I can do? I can open a channel and I can say, hey, this is what I want the civil justice. I want the civil justice. It's as simple as that. Who is USA to create poverty for me? Who is President Trump to enforce finance debt for me? Right? And I'm in the most stranded mode, stranded orphan mode, right? I don't know whether I have some time. I have some breathing time, maybe a week up until March 1st, to whether to decide on renew on my apartment or not. How much of tension I am in. Do you all know that? Versus if you're going to see President Trump, he has all the shelter worldwide. I already said. And if you're going to see for Mitch McConnell, he don't have to bother about his monthly bill pay. And Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh don't even have to worry about his monthly pay because his salary is going to be highest forever. Even after coffin, he'll be getting the salary. And that job rightful belongs to me. I should have become the Supreme Judge on October 2018. And he stole my job. Who is going to pay for the damages? You all tell me, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, I should get the job immediately. Yes, I should get all the national benefits immediately. And I want only USA government who created the damages to me to pay all the finance compensation. When USA can give $1 million free for the Dr. Fauci for created the COVID-19 scandal, why can't USA provide me $1 trillion for whatever wisdom education I provided in the past few weeks through YouTube channel alone? So I am asking for rightful only. In what way I am less than Dr. Fauci? When Dr. Fauci only created hell, I am only educating wisdom. So when I am providing the wisdom, USA should pay me the salary, isn't it? And I sure will get it my way. When people don't know how to be human, when governments don't know how to provide government services, I will educate them to provide. No, government, you can never be fatal negligent. You have to be government in a human ways, USA. Please provide me the help. Like that I will teach them and I'll get the help my way. I will get the help my way in Holy Bible civil law guidelines alone. Either Pope Francis knows what is Holy Bible, or he should say he don't know what is Holy Bible. Either ways he will be thrown in the volcano. I will say, I will read out who should get out of the earth. And USA will provide the death penalty. And that is the highest honor a nation can get. I am giving that honor for USA government. I own USA. I should be leading USA. I should be the leader of USA. And I explained all my governance and how excellent my leadership qualities is, right? How I provide healthy emotion management, how I provide healthy priority emotion management means even in that emotional breakdown mode, meaning I'm in absolutely finance stress mode, financial crisis mode, right? That creates a lot of exhaustion or overwhelming for any civilian, and I am human, right? So even in that mode, I'm still talking with the God-given strength in whatever best of ability I can do. I'm just hoping and wishing to get the job immediately, get the civil justice done. Because President Trump created a scar on my face. Can he take the scar on my face? He should have created poverty for his wife or his children. He never did that, right? Can you all see how evil and selfish people are? And all men's club only. President Trump is a man. So when President Trump cannot do anything, please tell me what will President Joe Biden will do. He's at fault always. I'm displaying that also. So who should be shameful at this point of time? Entire male population. Got it? That is another multitasking as well. I'm just proving with live proof how men are never caregivers. Never a caregivers. They are selfish, cunning people after all. They are foolish people. A wisest lady like me only have to discipline all these foolish people. To discipline Mitch McConnell, I only can discipline Mitch McConnell. Nobody can. I don't know whether he has his family of his own or not. I don't even want to know about that crap. He himself is a crap. Because I never asked for any Republic GOP crap. Did you all ask for Republic GOP crap? No. Did you all ask for Republic Senate? No. I never asked for even Supreme Court judge. Even. If USA is a lawless nation, why on the earth they even have to provide a namesake justice in the name of justice want to create hell for me? Who is Brett Kavanaugh to create hell for me? Who is he? He should have created the same robocall poverty mandate to his wife or his children, right? If at all he loves to create poverty. But how on the earth, on a shameless mode, he even created that to me, and only to steal my job, my dear fellow mankind. Can you see how cheap and narrow-minded these people are? How cheap and narrow-minded these people are. Even after the death of that Ruth, that late judge, they were quickly wanted to provide Amy Barrett as a judge. That's a scandal. 2 times crime. I want USA to pay me salary in 2 trillion at least for that damages done. Brett Kavanaugh never banned pornography and he's a Supreme Court judge. Disqualified. Amy Barrett never banned pornography. She is a Supreme Court judge. Disqualified. Invalid. Voided. Just throw them out of the justice world. Just throw them out of it. Why? Why humanity destroyed in USA? What went wrong? What did Harvard Law School and Harvard Medical School educated these foolish people? See, I do not like foolish. And who gave authority for United States of America to produce foolish people and enforce me to live among the foolish people? That is why I am providing this live civil justice sign-off in the YouTube TV channel for myself. Whether people listen or not, I wish people listen. At least if there is one civilian hears my civil justice, that's okay for me. Even at the cost of my death, I provided civil justice for myself in front of all nations. And above all, there are more emotional processing, right? When it is come to the audience mode, there will be diversified audience only. The audience will be maybe known to me, maybe pure strangers to me, right? But I wish somebody knows me, knows me, be an audience as well. That is my little bit of wish. That's all. That every civilian has it, right? That's all. So, let's say if there are 100 audience and 100% of the audience, there will be known people to me or unknown people to me, strangers to me, right? Because it's going to be in the worldwide mode, displayed worldwide mode. Out of all the 100 people, I wish only one in that audience that knows me be in the audience. That is my wish, that's all. There's nothing wrong in that, right? I know you all are laughing. And I also laugh with you all. And I leave it as is. Yes. Sometimes the roadblocks and people cannot talk mode, emotional separation, right? All this creates a lot of disturbances for civilians. So for me, when I'm signing the civil justice sign off, whoever is in the audience, they will know my civil justice is perfect. That is all is needed. At the cost of my death, I'm providing civil justice for myself. It can look for the foolish people, they cannot understand. They'll only mock me. Oh, is this a lady? Oh, is she? Oh, no. Oh, why? Like that. But from my end, it is a lot of multitasking, layer after layer after layer after layer after layer. So that means audience will be, there will be 95% or 99% strangers, and 1% will be population in the population that might have known me, right? And I wish, and I only can wish, people knows me will be in that audience. That is all I can do for a wish, nothing more or less at this point of time. So that's pretty much it for my overview of how I ended up in YouTube channel at the first place. When I have lot of other pain and agony to handle with, why even have to bother to end up in YouTube channel, right? But then the main scope and objective is I must get the civil justice sign off, and USA Nation should provide me the rightful salary, and USA Nation should provide me all benefits, national benefits, everything to be free, and I should be the supreme judge, and I should be the Vatican leader, and I should be the interim leader of USA. It's as simple as that. Because when they can provide damages just like that, right? I can ask lay off Mitch McConnell and create poverty for him for 1 year or 2 years and 3 years and let him beg for dollars. I can do. That's a tit for tat, isn't it? I do not want that. No. I want Mitch McConnell to live free with all the dollars and live free. But I want USA to provide the civil justice rightful way. Pay all the finance compensation. Have Mitch McConnell pay $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. That's all is a civil justice. That way, Mitch McConnell will fear to create poverty for any civilian. Isn't that's right? And Brett Kavanaugh will never dare to create poverty for anybody. Once when he signs $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. One woman in front of all the men's club and all the nations are watching. Right? You all work on who am I? Am I a man or am I a woman or am I transgender? You all work on it. You all work on it. All these men are clubs are only men, right? I'm slapping left and right. Left and right. Because I have to get the civil justice my way. When they don't know what is justice, I have to teach what is justice. When the government don't know what is government, I have to educate what is government. Right? When President Trump and Mitch McConnell and Brett Kavanaugh like foolish people, they don't know how to be human, I have to teach what is human. Can you all see how on a very basic level I have to educate everything to the population? Population don't know what is love, population don't know what is holy marriage law, or population don't know why humans never should hurt fellow mankind, population don't know what is backstabbing, hell creation. Can you all see how the innocent humans' brains have been destroyed with or without awareness? And the root cause, everything traces back only to Pope Francis. Then don't you all think that he should resign immediately and I should get the Vatican job, because he only created unemployment hell for me. Pope Francis only created career destruction for me. Who is going to pay those damages to me? I want USA to pay me, I want Pope Francis to pay me $1 billion for that. When he was able to coolly create hell for me, it should be easiest for him to write the check for me, isn't it? More check is there for Pope Francis to pay me. Wait, watch and see. Wait, watch and see. Justice people don't know what is justice. A family law judge don't know what is civil law, what is justice and what is injustice. Not even one civilian in the justice world in USA don't know what is justice. Tell me what you all will do when you are all stranded 360 degrees level. Senate don't know what is their job. GOP don't know what is they are doing, they are having that job for. They all have highest salary paid, but they are in the job without knowing what job they have to do. And they are creating hell after hell after hell after hell after hell. Nobody asks them any question. Mitch McConnell thinks that he is only God in USA. Not anymore. I just slapped him on his face. Mitch McConnell should write the check of $4,500 and direct deposit to me. I do not have time to talk to all these foolish people. I hate foolish people. I will put it that way. I will only slap on the foolish people. Left and right I will slap. So that means what comfort zone I have. It's the same comfort zone how I talk to my parents and my siblings. The same comfort zone only. So that means even my parents, even my siblings also will get the same kind of left and right slap only if I identify any kind of injustice. It's the same thing, same everywhere. Unbiased, one law, one love for all. I fear God. I don't know about my peers. I fear God. I can die for God closing my eyes, just like that. So, when people are handling too much of emotional pain, each people have their own way of handling things. For me, it is too much of a stress for, when the Citibank CEO pays off my debt, one stress gone, right? That is how the defect triage process works, right? If there are 10 defects, if 5 defects are gone, there will be only 5 more defects. Then 3 is gone, the 8 defects cured, only 2 more means that is how the processing goes in an excellent way. So for me, immediately highest priority, what USA can do, just provide an executive order that Citibank CEO should pay off my debt, period. And ask Citibank CEO to pay $4,500 direct deposit in my bank account. That will create that breathing time for me, isn't it? And have President Trump sign off $4,500, Brett Kavanaugh $4,500, and Mitch McConnell $4,500, and Microsoft $4,500, Google $4,500, Apple $4,500, then Hawaii $4,500, AT&T $4,500, US Cellular $4,500, Sprint $4,500, Amazon $4,000. Do you all know what exactly happened with that Amazon and that US bank? Without my awareness, it all came as a chain reaction. That robocall, poverty mandate, they took away $4,500, and around that time only I even said that I have very few dollars, 200 or something only in my bank account, like that. So without my consent, they themselves, that government, USA government, they themselves created a credit card, and they used whatever and shopping using the Amazon or whatever it is. And that is how when I displayed the truth, the branch itself got shut down, sealed and shut down. It shut down. The US bank in Madison, Wisconsin, the local branch, got shut down. So that is why God is always God, all the time. So I want Amazon to pay $4,500 for me, US Bank to pay $4,500 for me, Walmart to pay $4,500 for me, and Costco to pay $4,500 for me. Means I was begging everybody. I was not begging Amazon, but I was begging all of them. Please, please provide that 4,500 back. Everybody turned their back on me. It is for good, isn't it? It is for good. This happened in October 2018, and I'm only paying minimum due, and the balance is $10,210.38. Do you all know that I can seal and shut down Citibank now at this point of time because of the whole entire rating engine, how it creates the interest, how it creates everything is wrong, and I can seal and throw Citibank itself in the jail? There again, I am so empath, right? I know how many people are shedding their blood and writing software code for Citibank, just for waiting for the monthly paycheck to pay their monthly bills. I do not want to. I am empath, my dear fellow mankind. I was only providing wisdom education, and why on the earth the USA government, President Trump, Brett Kavanaugh, Republic GOP leader, have to even bother to create poverty for me? What did I do? What did I do? I want civil justice. Let it be in front of all nations. I should get the civil justice. When people I've been left out to be mocked and bullied by my peers, right? Do you all know how much torture it is? When I'm being innocent and being mocked and bullied. And I sure will get the civil justice my way. It is okay if people think I'm arrogant. It is okay if people think I'm rude. It is okay if my peers accuse me or curses me, anything. I am saying, go ahead and mock me, go ahead and bully me. I'm so done with all this kind of a crap thrown at me. I'm in enough is enough mood. I'm in enough is enough mood. I would not have spent this much of labor if only CNN news channel or any of the television news channel provided me 1 hour or 2 hour session interview. And yes, I sure will get the civil justice at the cost of my death. The video session itself is civil justice signed off. That is all. Period. Whether I get the rightful salary or not, whether USA provides me salary or not, civil justice is served. That is the wisdom. That is the wisdom. And out of all the audience, I wish some of my, whoever I want that audience to be. That's my wish. I can wish it, right? I can always keep wishing for. I'm extra emotional, and I'm extra empath, I'm extra tolerant, I'm extra patient. But when enough is more, then I'll just back off. This is a little bit of about me I want to tell you in this session. It is 1 hour and 4 minutes. Yes, my media fellow mankind, when I have to provide the details about overview of each and every single section, it is taking long time, right? For me, I just do not like injustice. That's all. My blood will boil. So, all along I've been innocent, and all along the injustice I've been bombarded. Means, don't you all think I should slap on the face of injustice and burn injustice in ashes? That way I can live freely forever. Don't you all think so? That is a rightful civil justice, isn't it? That way injustice will fear me and will never create any more injustice. That is how the civil justice should be. Mitch McConnell should never even dare to create poverty anymore. That is how civil justice should be. So that means, let's say USA is having blinded eyes, foolish eyes, and not listening to me and not providing me any financial aid or salary or whatever. Even then, civil justice is signed off. Got it? That is why God's name alone is always glorified. Let's say if I'm not getting any help and I'm dying without any help, that is also God's name to be glorified. Got it? I wish I get all this help in the rightful way, right? Because I want to live a peaceful life. So yes, I am aware that my life civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself is an excellent, flawless, perfect, heaven way of civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So it's as simple as that. So whether US is going to turn back, whether US is going to provide me regardless of providing me the finance aid, the salary, the rightful job, either ways, I provided the civil justice for myself in the rightful way, in an ethical standards way, need to know basis way, right? Nobody have to tell everything to anybody. No, that is not needed at all. Unless and until it should be the individual's choice to say it or not. There are 7.9 plus billions of humans in the human kingdom. And I'm living in the human kingdom only, right? No help, without any help. Don't you all think that itself is a crime for USA nation? Right? That is a crime for USA nation to turn its back on me, not providing me any help. And I have to step in, I will have to slap on the face of USA government, educate what is USA, what is a nation, what is a government, how should the government operate. Everything from the scratch I have to educate. That is how the pathetic state USA is in. The USA don't even know that there should be only one government, and having two government itself is a crime. First of all, I never asked for USA government, USA nation. Do you all know USA nation should not be even called as USA after all? Because USA is Tamil Nadu, it should be called only as Tamil Nadu after all. Do you all even know that? So there is that little bit of innocence also there. So I only can bail out USA, nobody can. Anyways, yes, it is all what you all are thinking. When I was talking, I became a little bit emotional, It happens to everybody all the time, right? But then I wish I get the civil justice at the rightful time. Then the emotional stress will be gone for me. I should not be, going through all this kind of a financial crisis stuff. No. And it's not my birthright to go and beg the civilians. USA government should take the responsibility for all the damages done to me by Pope Francis and the teams, Queen Elizabeth II, and pay me all the benefits I'm asking for. So even even after my death, I will get civil justice. Got it? So that means USA, let's say USA is deciding not to provide me any help, and I die out of stress because of this emotional finance stress like that. Then even after death, one fine day, maybe 500 years from now, maybe 1000 years from now, USA will provide the civil justice. That is the excellent wisdom part of it. Got it? And out of that, all the audience who are there in front and listening to getting a chance to listen to my testimony, I wish there will be one audience who I like, right? So it can be one, and it can be whatever it is, right? Because it's all on an emotional level, my dear fellow mankind. It's all on an emotional level. And I will explain everything one by one only. I cannot rush and say everything, no. At this point of time, you all know that I am unemployed. I'm in finance crisis. I want civil justice, and I should have got the salary for pro se, at least minimum $100,000 tax free, and I should have got the financial aid for the damages done with the robocall, right? And I should have got the salary for the hard labor I worked on for Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 volunteer project. And I have the 50,000 year rewrite for Medicaid, Medicare project for all. For that design cost alone is anywhere $25 billion to $1 trillion. Justice services teams knows that. Even entire world knows that. And once when I take the job of that Global Poverty Relief Medical Director and Supreme Judge for All Nations and Family Law Judge, and also interim leader of USA, I want this much salary, $250,000 per annum with benefits, right? And for each and every single damages Pope Francis did to me, I want financial aid also for that. For robocall poverty mandate provided by USA, I want Pope Francis to sign off check for $1 billion. Direct deposit to my bank account. I never asked USA nation to be fatal negligent. No, it's not my problem. If USA loves to be fatal negligence, then it is a problem with the USA nation, not me. Right? If Pope Francis asks them to be fatal negligence, it is their choice. Either Pope Francis' choice or it's a USA nation choice. I don't, for me, I'll say pay all the finance penalty to me. So this is what it is. Okay. You all might be wondering why on the earth this lady is in the YouTube channel out of nowhere. And 2021, and for how long this YouTube has been there, you calculate the years. And I have to, once when I was in the pressurized mode, I have to learn how to be in that YouTube channel, what to be done in the quickest, fastest mode. I have to work, and that is how I came up with this. How many channels, how many video sessions I provided. I started with one. I think it's more, right? Because that is how much of crime I have to display to the USA. Whatever I displayed, whatever I educated in the Facebook, I am displaying it in the video session mode with a live proof. Because I wanted proof, right? So video clippings and the screenshot displays the live proof. That is all is needed. Yes, I hope, I wish I get the civil justice rightful way. I don't know who the audience are going to be. Who will be the audience to watch my civil justice? Right? I already said, out of 100 percentile, there will be 95% strangers only. Because people who have known to me, I never even bothered to say said to them. I never conveyed that I started a YouTube channel. So that means only through different routes only the people known to me will even get to know that I have started the YouTube channel. And from my end, I just wanted to be that way because I explained. Because even if I'm going to say to the people known to me that I've started a YouTube channel, I think I will get different, uh, roadblocks, which I don't want to happen, right? Because I'm already in enough is enough mode, and when people, foolish people, cannot understand my wisdom education, it becomes too much labor for me to sit and explain to the foolish people. I will just not even bother to talk to the foolish people. I will just back off. And this is a little bit about me. For the healthy wellness process, the moment the enough is enough more is created in my brain, right? That means tolerance gone, patience gone, threshold level gone means I will just back off. I will just back off. I will not even bother to talk and hey, foolish, please listen to my talking like that. No, I will not waste my 1 minute time to talk to the foolish ones when that enough is mode. I will just back off. It is only for healthy, humane, wellness standards, according to those standard guidelines only I provide. And people will never ask me why I stopped talking like that. Because my brain process functions different. Okay, so that means you collect all the total women brain processing in the entire world. My brain processing is different. Okay, so that is why I stand out of the crowd. Mm, Out of all the total women population, I'm standing out of the crowd. Okay, now you go collect all the total male population brain processing. Even then, my brain is functions differently. I'm out of the crowd. So you all work on who am I? Am I a man or am I a woman or am I a transgender? Just break your heads and work on that homework for me. Okay? Yes, I became a little bit of emotional when I was talking because once when a civilian is put into that too much of that financial stress with no help, it is too much for a civilian to handle, right? But I am aware that God is there. God will provide me the rightful help at the rightful time. And these, whatever happening in my life, in my entire lifetime, right? It's all God's name alone to be glorified. So, yes, this is my story of how I became, how I started the YouTube channel, right? So, you all got it now. So my wish is like even if I get back to the workforce, right? I still want to continue this YouTube channel of providing this public health wellness process guidelines. I sing songs, so I might even provide singing songs here and there, right? So that's pretty much it about myself, about this YouTube channel part of it. And when I read this civil justice sign off, you all will know what this session is exclusively all about. Okay? What would you all have done? I'll provide this question to you. What would you all have done when you're running to justice, you're not getting help? When you're running to banking sectors, you're not getting any help to get loan. When you're running to your retirement fund and asking for help, they're saying, okay, you can take it, but you have to pay penalty of 10% or 20% or whatever. And you're going and asking for unemployment benefits, and they're telling, no, you should have worked, you should have got this much of tax, you should pay tax. What would you have done? What would you have done if your family members are in helpless mode and just allowed to watch whatever you are undergoing through, what would you have done? What would you all have done if you know there will be a person to reach out, right? Always any civilian will have one special person to reach out, but still not able to reach out because of different factors and various emotional things. What would you have done? What if your colleagues were helpless mode, not able to help you out? What would you all have done? What if all the religion people, they say only God's name, right? Lord Jesus Christ only is the God, like that, and they do not provide any help. And Dalai Lama says, oh, Dalai Lama is only God, like that, right? And the other Hindus, right, they say Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, like that. So nobody helps. What would you all have done? You are running to the federal government turns back, what would you all have done? You are running to the state government, and state government closes eyes and says cannot help. What would you all have done? You are running towards the GOP, running towards the Senate, running towards the Congress, running towards the House of Representatives and asking for help. They are all turning their back on you. What would you all have done? Tell me. You're all alone, left alone, stranded on the road, orphan mode, pauper mode, beggar mode, homeless mode, refugee mode, in the human kingdom full of humans. What would you all have done? And you all know that there are medical services world, and they turn their back as well. In the name of doctors, in the name of medical services, they turn their back. What would you all have done? There are criminal lawyers, criminal judges, no help. What would you all have done? There are civil lawyers, civil judges, no help. What would you all have done? There is Supreme Court judge, right? Not one, 9 people are there in the United States. And that is very high level. And if you're going to break down, each state have their own set of Supreme Court judges. So nobody helps. What would you all have done? Welfare services shuts down the helping services. What would you all have done? Tax revenue, treasury, they have a lot of money in their bank, but they just close their eyes and they say they cannot help. What would you all have done? Tell me, my dear fellow mankind. Okay, no help from anybody. What if you all had your loved one, that one special person in your life, side by side with you, holding the hands and providing that little bit of comfort? Don't worry, everything is going to be fine. To tell that moral support, right? What would you all have done? I'm pretty much sure when entire earth, entire human kingdom turned down, never provided any help, that one special person in your life sitting side by side and holding hands and saying that comfort words, don't worry, all these things will pass away. Don't you all think that is the priceless help that any civilians look for, needed? Means even in the deadliest crisis mode, that word, that comforting word from the loved one, sitting side by side and holding the hand is enough for any civilian of any gender, right? Can you all see how my wisdom is holiest wisdom after all? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. A love between a man, a love between a woman is the purest form of love. that can never be compared with any of the love, you name it. It is holy marriage love. It is a heaven love. Now tell me, what if that love, that most special one is not there? When nobody is able to provide the rightful help, and the most special one, the loved one, is not there, what would you all have done as a civilian? I said that sentence is enough. Don't worry, everything will pass away, and holding the hands part. That is too much of an emotional healing right there, right? A divine healing. But what if that is not there? What would you all have done as a civilians? When you're in a finance crisis, when you don't know anything, we all don't know how long we will live, right? Anyway, so you all keep working on that homework part. Who am I? Am I a man or a woman? Or transgender? Right? So that'll be super fun task for you all to figure it out. Who am I? Okay? So I will read out this civil justice sign off. Okay? I wish to get back to the workforce immediately. Because that way I can start earning a salary, I can save, I can take care of my basic essentials, and little bit of that emotion stress can be relieved, and I can even work on other pain and agony and work on how to fix those things as well, isn't it? But for me, 360 degrees, the chains have been thrown on my legs and I'm not able to move here or there. I'm crippled. Even when I want to stand up and put a step forward, it's going to be a learning process for me. For me, at least some kind of help should be provided, right? No help. But anyways, for me, I know civil justice wins. I know God is there always. God gives me the strength, right? And you all know about, getting to know about me little bit, one step at a time, as a baby step about me, right? So I will continue with the civil justice sign off, and you will know what exactly this civil justice is for. And yes, worldwide knows that I wear the praise the wisest women in the whole entire planet Earth. I value human relationships. That is my highest priority in my life, nothing else. My peers might have different priorities. For my peers, job alone is a life. If they do not have job, they will die more. For me, job is where I could go and build the nations in clean love, and with the affordable salary based on the cost of living given, I can take care of my basic essentials, right? That mode. And for me, talent is always given by God only. So God only gives me the wisdom, and with that wisdom only I can provide the task. This is me. And for me, job is not life. Like for my peers, job is life. For me, job is not life. For me, human relationship values is the life for me. That is very important for me. I will never let go of those values. Family bonding is very important for me. Family bonding, family time. It is okay if my people says I'm so rude that I cannot compromise on the family time, like that. No. For me, family is the first. Everything next. Everything next. Everything next. For me, I just do not like injustice, that's all. And when injustice comes, and I become frustrated. And I get healthy anger. I get healthy anger. And I'm not ashamed to say that. Because when there is a true woman, there will be true anger, healthy anger. And I can provide healthy anger management process, and I can provide healthy conflict management process. And when I don't have to forgive, I can still lend my extended helping hand and can forgive, and I can hug a backstabber, right? But still as a extended bailout process. But then once when the tolerance is gone, it's called as an emotional death mode. I will just back off for the wellness human standards, and this is me. Yes, I do not talk loud, meaning reserved, right? So people mistakes me as a rude and arrogant because I'm reserved, will not talk. Oh, is she a heavyweight person, like that? But people never knows whatever pain and agony I'm undergoing through. And for me, I have to balance and work, right? So I will just even let go of it. Okay, if you're going to mistake me, it is your choice. It's not my choice, like that. I'll just move on. I'll just pass by with a silent smile. Even if people wants to hurt me, or like bullying me or mocking me, like that, I'll just pass by and smile. Silent smile and pass by. So this is a little bit about me. And you will keep knowing about me more down the road. Okay? So you keep working on who am I, and I will read this civil justice. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King he wrote as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew, or of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica prostitution television channels CNN, Fox News, HBO Max, ABC News, NBC News, ESPN Sports Channel, Food Network, Disney Channel, PBS Kids Nations. They never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocop poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose. A true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution television channels, CNN, Fox, for CNN News Channel, Fox News Channel, HBO Max Movies Channel, ABC News Channel, NBC News Channel, ESPN Sports Channel, Food Network Channel, Disney Network Channel, PBS Kids Nations. To be fatal negligence, either USA government should say knows who is Republica, ABC News, NBC News, HBO Max, Fox News, CNN, ESPN, Food Network, Disney, PBS Kids, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica, television channel, CNN, Fox, HBO Max, ABC, NBC, ESPN, Food Network, Disney, PBS Kids Nations. So Republica television channels, CNN, Fox, HBO Max, ABC, NBC, ESPN, Food Network, Disney, PBS Kids Nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. So it comes under the classification of domestic violence and comes under the classification of subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury to the brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. So I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off And USA prostitution television channels, CNN News channel is a prostitution, Fox News channel is prostitution, HBO Max movies channel is prostitution, ABC News channel is prostitution, NBC News channel is prostitution, ESPN Sports channel is prostitution, Food Network channel is prostitution, Disney channel is prostitution, PBS Kids channel is prostitution, and all the television nations, right? I'm just providing the highest level of the TV channels. There are zillions of TV channels, right? So that all comes under this umbrella only. So with fatal negligence, failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, on October 2018, enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021. So, and also enforce finance disability to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly. It is crime for Republica, prostitution television channels, CNN News, Fox News, HBO Max, ABC, NBC, ESPN, Food Network, Disney, PBS Kid Nations. When ruling USA never educated USA, should never provide enforced poverty to I Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I Vedapriya Prose want USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off tax-free $4,500, and Republica television channels CNN, HBO Max, ABC, NBC, ESPN, Food Network, Disney, PBS Kids, etc. as in total television channels worldwide available, must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited to my bank account, and all types of damages for all types of damages done by television channels worldwide, and selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and just direct deposit to my bank account. And who is going to help them in finance transaction? It is at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful assistance. So for I Vedapriya provided civil justice, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. For civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines, I want USA government to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Vatican leader as Civil Justice served. Then Pope Francis to resign abruptly, Civil Justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations as Civil Justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations as Civil Justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Import-Export, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to be the ambassador for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed must get dual citizenship of US and India now is civil justice served. Okay? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, with God-given strength, I'm living, and I wish I get the civil justice in the rightful way, right? I should get the job offer signed off. I should get the salary, rightful salary. It's pending. USA have to provide me all the salary and all the finance aid, and I should get the salary for I worked on the poverty-free earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project during the spring of 2014 to spring of 2019, and for all the damages done by the software world to me, I want financial compensation for that, right? And Then, at the same time, I'll also provide the finance aid compensation for the entire human kingdom. I'm standing in front of the entire human kingdom and talking for entire human kingdom who cannot talk. They are just chewing the injustice in silence. That is wrong. That is a lot of torture, right? So when I provide the civil justice, it will be heaven. Okay, people will always be living in tears of joy forever. Okay, and thank you all for your time. And the time it took was 1 hour and 40 minutes. So my overview session only itself took too much of time, right? Because I have to explain, because you all might be wondering, why on the earth out of nowhere YouTube means I finished all this task in Facebook itself, but then I have to again recap and provide it in a video form. That is all. And I created my channel because news channels, they never responded to me. They never provided any help to me. I was only begging to have an interview session. That way, worldwide can hear my testimony live, but they never provided that. But that's okay, right? Because everything, whatever is happening, it's happening in God's labor only. God's name alone is glorified. So me being in the filthiest YouTube channel is also God's name to be glorified. I already said, right? So I wish to get back to the workforce earliest as possible, along with the USA signing of job process. So let me wait for the rightful civil justice to be done to me, to be provided to me, right? And that's all from my end. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.